With Leo, we will take you through 5 practice rotations where you're learning capability and skills, and we're actually preparing you to be an entry-level lawyer. So the way that we do that is we simulate legal practice. So just like you would when you get into your first job or in a graduate role, we take you through different rotations. So in the first rotation, you come in, it's your first day in the simulated law firm, you're meeting your mentor, and we'll talk a little bit more about mentors as we go through, but our mentors really are the cornerstone of our entire course and work with you quite personally. And when I said they know your name, your mentor knows you and is committed to supporting you through the course. So in your first immersive, you'll do 4 workshop days, which are so much fun, and where we really start to do a lot of the skills like client interviewing and advocacy and being able to stand up and announce your appearance and make submissions in court and negotiation. You then transition into the next rotation, which is transactions. Now here we start to give you a little bit of experience on working in property and commercial and corporate law matters, and you're applying the knowledge that we give you to realistic client scenarios. So essentially, you're learning how to interact with a client who walks in the door at day 1, right through the course, and right through to either settling their matter or solving the problem that they come to you with. You then transition into the next rotation, which is the specialist rotation. So here we give you a little bit of practice at running files concurrently in a very supported way. So we get you to choose 2 areas that you are interested in, and we're continuing to strengthen those core skills. For example, your advocacy and negotiation skills. And we start to bring in a little bit of a focus on legal innovation, because as you all know, the world is changing and we need to keep up with that. So we embed a lot of those skills within the course. And here you'll do the second immersive, where you're coming back, you're doing 3 more immersive days, and you're really scaffolding and building on everything you've done today. Then the 4th rotation is disputes. We're looking at civil litigation, court matters, how to draft pleadings, affidavits. I love a good affidavit, so I always get really excited when it comes to that part of the course. And then in the 5th rotation, that's profession ready. So this is where we bring everything together. You'll be able to make sure you're transitioning really confidently into the next step of your legal career, and it brings you to the point where you're job ready. You can step into your career. The qualification that you receive is your graduate diploma of legal practice, so you can add GDLP to all of those letters that you've acquired after your name, after you finish your law school degree. But the most important thing is you're actually leaving with confidence, with practical skills, and the beginning of professional connections as well.